Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zabil Al-Bayhaqi. I'm from B class. In here, I want the reading exchange rate. A. The Princeton World Agreement of 1944 established fixed exchange rate, defined in the terms of gold and US dollar between 1944 and 1971. Many currencies were paid against the US dollar AE. Their parities with the US dollar were fixed. In this period, a US dollar was a promissory note issued by the United States Treasury. If anybody requested it, the Treasury had to exchange the note for 1 per 35 of an ounce of gold. Under this system, overvalued of undervalued currencies could only be adjusted with the agreement of the International Monetary Fund. Such adjustments of currency are called devaluation and revolution. The Princeton World System of gold convertibility and hedging against the dollar was abandoned in 1971 because following inflation, the Federal Reserve did not have enough gold to guarantee the American currency. B. Gold convertibility was replaced by a system of floating exchange rates. Today, the US dollar, the unofficial world currency, is merely a piece of paper on which is written in good the truth. Could the gold of freely one clean floating exchange rate is determined purely by supply and demand. Theoretically, in the absence of speculation, exchange rates should reflect purchasing power parity, the cost of a given selection of goods and sales in different countries. Preparedness of floating exchange rates such as Milton Friedman quite the currency was actually established stable exchange rate with what reflect economic realities more precisely than calculating by central by official. Yet the underestimate the impact of speculation and the fact the companies and investors frequently follow short-term money market trend even if those are contrary to their own long-term interests. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, The Americans, British, and our government deregulated their financial system and abolished all exchange controls. Residents in the third country are now able to exchange any amount of their currency for any other comfortable country. This has led to the currency situation in which 95% of the world's currency transactions are unrelated to transactions in goods but are purely speculative. Enormous amount of money moved found the world, casing high interest rate or capital gain as investors, including rich individuals, companies, and pension funds, seek to maximize the value of their assets. In the London alone, in the late 1990s, and over $1 billion 30,000 worth of currency was traded on an average day, the equivalent of about 30% of the value of the good pristine product, products each year. Banks, of course, make a profit from a spread between a currency buying and selling prices. D. Few governments, however, leave exchange rate wholly of the mercy of market forces. Most of them attempt to influence the level of their currency when necessary. Managed or dirty floating exchange rates are more common, the freely floating ones. For example, in the 1980s, most Western European governments joined the EMS, European Monetary System, with established practice between member currency. There was also an exchange rate mechanism, ERM. If the rate differed of by the plus or minus to 1% from the central parity. Central bank had intervened in the exchange markets, buying or selling in the order increase or decrease the value of their currency. Yet international speculators can be more powerful than governments. For example, on a single day in September 1992, the Bank of England lost £5 billion in a helpless attempt to support the pound sterling. For weeks, all the world's financial institutions of the rich individual had been selling their pounds, as everyone, exchanged the British government believed that the pound had been seriously overvalued ever since it belatedly joined the ERM in 1980 when in the British Central Bank ran out the reserves and could no longer buy bonds. The currency was withdrawn from the ERMs and allowed to float instantly, losing about 50% of the value against the DMARC. The next year, speculators attacked it for 5 other European currencies, and the European monetary system was suspended. It was later reintroduced in the looser form. F. Many manufacturers are in favor of fixed exchange rate or a single currency, although it is possible to same exchange to hedge against currency fluctuation by way of factors contracts. Forward planning in difficult when the price of raw materials fall from a brown or the print price of your products in export market can rise in or fall by 50% in only a few months. Then exchange control were abolished. Currency, including the US dollar and the sterling, have in turn appreciated, appreciated by up to 1,000% and then depreciated by more than 50% against the currency or major trading partners. G. Pressure from industrialists and government led to the introduction of the euro. 12 countries fixed their exchange rate against the new currency, and beginning in 1999, the new currency was used as a means of payment between companies, and in foreign trade and bonds were denominated in it. The Europeans come into existence as a real currency in 2002 when the old notes and coin in the 12 member countries were withdrawn. Okay, enough. Uh, Thank you. Goodbye. Makasih, Mom.